Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, welcome again to my YouTube channel. I am Mr. MK. Today I would like to take you through Form 3 Mathematics. Our topic for today is vectors, vector 2. Now let's do this example together. Example 1. OA is a triangle in which OA is vector A and OB is vector B. M is a point on OA such that OM and MA is 2:3. OM to MA is the ratio of 2:3. And N is another OAB such that AN to NB is the ratio of 1:2. AN to NB is the ratio of 1:2. Lines ON and MB intersect at X. ON and MB intersect at which point? At X. Now express the following vectors in terms of A and B. In terms of A and B, in terms of O and N, in terms of B and N. Now how do you go this? If OX is equal to KON and BX is equal to HBM, express OS in two different ways and hence find the value for H and K. Now how do you solve this? Solutions for Roman 1. Let's solve this. Express the following vectors in terms of A and B. How do you draw this? Now you say that this is equals to. Now we have said that this vector A and B. Now how do you go? You A and B. If you were to go to A and B now, for example, here is you are moving from Nairobi Elwak to Moyale to Nairobi. Now it is good for you to use this one A and O and B. A and O and B. That is A and O plus OB. Now it is like this. Now how do you go this? Your AO is what? AO, you are moving against the direction. For example, it is against the direction as you see. A and AO is vector O. So for that case, if it is against the direction, what do you say? Negative A. Plus OB, we are moving with the direction. OB, we are moving with the direction, and OB is vector B. OB is vector B. You can leave it like this, or you just say B minus A. That is for that questions. I think we have solved it. Let's go to Roman 2. ON. How do you go for ON? A and B. AO, we have said that plus OB, which is the same as B minus A. Let's move to Roman 2, ON. Now, ON is from here up to here. Now you just say ON. If you want to get ON, your first letter must be O, your second letter must be N. That is what we have agreed. Let's go back. Now you just say, if I move from OM to AN. No, I just move from OB to BN. OB to BN. Yeah, that is okay. OB plus BN. That is okay. I think you have to use it that way. Now, from there, now you have said that for you to, we have to OA and AN. You can either use OA or OB BN. That is either of the two rows is accepted. For this case, let's use OA to AN. OA to ON. You can use this one, or you just say OA plus AN. Both of them you can use it. But for our case here, let's use OA. OA Now our OA is vector A, meaning that we are moving with the direction. Now we just say vector A. OA is vector A. Plus AN is from here up to here. My AN, you have 1, ratio for 1 is to 2. AN is now 1 over the total ratio. The total ratio meaning that if you want to find the total ratio, 1 is to 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Your total ratio is 3. Now you just say 1 over 3 of AB. 1 over 3 of AB. And AB, you already have it. AB, you already have it. Just substitute it. B minus A. Now you say A plus 1 over 3 BA. 1 over 3, you just open the bracket, what is outside? 1 over 3 B minus 1 over 3A. 1 over 3B. Now, if that one you correct right hand. A plus A minus a third A. A minus a third A, it is just like this. A is just say 1 minus a third, it is just 1 minus a third. Over 1 LCM is 3. 3 divided by 1 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. Minus 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2 over 3. Now 2 over 3A. You have 2 over 3A. 2 over 3A plus 1 over 3B plus a third B. I think for that case, we are together from that. ON, you either use OB to BN or else you just either use ON to AN. Now for my case here, A plus a third B minus A. Open the bracket, A plus a third B minus 3A is equals to, just correct right hand. A minus a third is just the same as 1 minus a third. We have got 2 over 3A plus a third B. A third B, I think for ON, we have seen it. Let's move to Roman BM. BM, let's solve for Roman 3. BM. Now BM, our first letter must be B, our second letter must be M. That is what we have agreed. Now for my case here, BM is from here up to here. I can just say, I just use B-O-O-N. Yeah, it is good to use B-O-O-N. I just use B-O plus O-N. Now, B-O, my first letter must be, we have agreed that your first letter must be B, second letter must be N. You see, B-M. I think you are okay. For that case, just go to, now BO meaning that you are moving against the direction. That is what I said. For example, when you are moving with the direction, you just say that value, if it is vector A, you just say it is vector A. If it is B, you just say vector B. But if you are moving against the direction, meaning that if it is vector B, it is negative A, negative B. If it is vector A, it is negative A. For my case here, BO is vector B. I just say negative B, meaning that I am moving against the direction. Now, plus my OM will be, OM is 2. 2, the total ratio, 2 is to 3. 2 plus 3, 5. My total ratio is 5. Now, I just say 2 over 2 all over the total ratio, which is 5. 2 of, and OA is the same as vector A. You just leave it like this, or you just say 2 over 5 5A minus 2 over 5A minus B. 2 over 5A minus B. For that case, I think Roman 3 also we are finished. Now let's move to this one. If OX, KON and BX is HBM, express OX in two different ways. Now the solution to these questions, let's move. Solution. OX is KON and BX is what? BX is HBM. BM. Now solution. Let's do together. If you have to be very keen, you have to be very keen for this case. OX is KOM and BX is HBM. Express OX in two different ways. And hence find the value for H and K. For this case, you have to express this OX in two different ways, such that OX K into bracket my OM is what? ON I have got what? I have got 2 all over 3 A plus a third B. 2 over 3 A plus a third B. Just OX will be K 2 over 3 times K, that is 2 over 3 AK plus a third BK. Let's say this is equation 1. I think you have opened. Now we want to express this OX in two different ways. Now when you want to express into two different ways, just go back to our equation. OX, you have to pass BX. For that case, I want to pass this BX. That is why I am expressing OX in two different ways. Let's back to our equation here. OX, if I use OA and I just say OA and AN. For that case, I have to pass X, BX. This just say OB, BX. For this case here now, you have passed BX that we are saying. Remember, we have said that we have to express the OX in two different ways, in such a way that this you have to pass BX at the same time. If I just go back to your OB, BX. For this case, you are okay, meaning that you have passed BX that we want. OB is vector B. OB is vector B. Just say OS is equals to OB is OB. We are moving with the direction. OB is vector B. OB is vector B. Now just say OB is vector B, right? Now plus H, close the bracket. BM. Our BM is what? We have got it here. Our BM is 2 over 5A minus B. 2 over 5A minus B. 2 over 5A minus B. Now how do you go this? Just open the bracket. OX is equals to B plus H times 2 over 5. 2 over 5 AH minus H times this minus BH. Let's say this one is our second equation. Now just equate. For example, OX is equal to OX. Just substitute it now. For this case, I just wanted to substitute these two equations to get the value for H and K. Just how can I substitute? Then I just say for OX, for equation 1 is 2 over 3 AK plus a third BK is equals to B plus 2 over 5 AH minus BH. Now after that one, meaning that from equation 1 is this and equation 2 is this. Meaning that if OX is equals to OX, for that case just you go and substitute it like this. 2 over 3 AK, a third BK, just now from there now you collect the vector A and vector B. You have to collect vector A and vector B. How can I go now? My vector A is now 2 over 3 AK. This one is vector A. A from the other side, this one is also A. Now B also, this one, vector B also, another one is here. Now I just say a third BK, vector B is this side, the other one is B minus, my plus minus BH. And now if it is 2, I just cancel B with B. But for this case, you have to factorize this one. to get the value for k. Now I just say a third bk is a third bk is equals to, if I factorize it, the common factor is b. Close the bracket. B divided by b is 1 minus b times h over b, which is common. I will remain with h. Now, for that case, I just cancel now b with b. I just say a third k is equals to 1 minus h. Let's call it, this one is equation 1. Let's back to the other one. We have collected vector b. Let's collect also vector a together. Let's collect also vector a together. How do you collect now? I just say 2 over 3ak is equals to 2 over 5 ah, 2 over 5 ah, 2 over 3ak, 2 over 5 ah, 2 over 5 ah. For this case, I just cancel a with a. 2 over 5, LCM of 3 and 5 and 3 is, I just say LCM of 5 and 3. Just LCM of 5 and 3 is 3 here, that is 1, that is 5 here, that is 15. Just say times 15 on both sides, times 15. By 3 1, by 3 5, 5 times 2, 10k is equals to 2 over 5 by 5 1 by 5, 3 times 2, 6h. If I were to remain with the value for k alone, I just say divided by 10, divided by 10. 10 will cancel. The value for k will be 6 over 10h. 6 over 10h. Now I go and substitute to the value for x here. Now how do you go? The value for k is 6 over 10. But the question says they need to find the value for h and k alone. You just go and substitute it here to get the value for h and k. I just wanted to substitute. We are here. We have substituted the value for h and k. Now we have if I were to remain with k alone, 10 divided by 10, k is equals to 6 ah. The value for k is 6 over 10 ah. The value for k is 6 over 10h. 6 over 10h. I have to substitute it to this one. The equation, a third k is equals to 1 minus h. These are our equation. Now I just substitute to the value for k with this one by saying a third. The value for k is, I wanted to substitute with 6 over 10h, close the bracket, is equals to 1 minus h. How do you go this route? By 3 1 by 3 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 over 10h is equals to 1 minus h. If I were to remain with the correct like term now, a positive, right? I just say it is like this, 2 over 10 negative h. It is just the plus 1 over 1. LCM is 10. 10 divided by 10 is the 1 times 2 is 2. 2 plus 10 divided by 1 is 10. 10 times 1 is 10. It is 12 all over 10. By 2, 6 by 2, 5. It is just 6 over 5. Hey, is equals to 1. Is equals to 1. We have said that 2 over positive. Now it will be 6 over 5. 6 over 5h is equals to 1. If I want to remain with h alone, times 5 times 5. 5 will cancel. 6h is equals to 5 times 1 will be 5 times 1 is 5. I want to remain with h alone, divided by 6, divided by 6. Now the value for h will be 5 over 6. If the value for h will be 5 over 6, what the value for k? You just go and substitute it here, where we say k is equals to 6 over 10h, and the value for h we have got 5 over 6. Go and substitute just like this. Just divide by 6, 1 by 6, 1. by 5, 1 by 5, 2. Now the value for k is a half and the value for h is 5/6. I think you have to go back and digest it again, and inshallah our next lesson will be vectors also. Inshallah we'll do more questions together, and I wish you all the best. If this video is your first time to watch this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now I wish you all the best. Thank you.